Hello, this is Team GC417 with the IT Curriculum Success Portal, and our team members are Alex, Abdu, Lydia, Cedric, and Damola. So, what we did during this is we collected a lot of information for the MSIT courses at our college, and we integrated that all into a database that we set up. And what we did with that is we then created a web page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which was hosted on GitHub Pages, and that was able to display all the information and allow for certain features like searching. It's very important because all this information is currently very fragmented, and it may or may not be accessible to everyone who needs to access it, like all the students. And this project was very helpful to us because it helped give us new skills in web dev, team management, and communication. As far as challenges that we faced, there were several, including where do we host this web app? How do we save PDF files from a web page? And how do we access MongoDB without Node.js? All these challenges were eventually solved by advice from our sponsor through looking at the documentation and through trial and error. We mainly learned a lot about HTML, CSS. With CSS, we learned a lot about setting up flexboxes and overflow settings to create some simple animations and to help lay out the website in a way that would be pleasing and accessible to everyone. So with MongoDB, we learned a lot about HTTPS endpoints and MongoDB functions, some stuff that we didn't know about previously, and was the only way that we could get information from it into our GitHub Pages website. It was very useful. And finally, we learned a lot about organizing a team, setting up Gantt charts, weekly meetings, and recording all that information. So we're going to go through a short demonstration now. And if I pull the website up here, this is the final design for the website. Each of these pages has built-in search functionality where you can search and filter by certain things, such as the numbers and the names, and on certain pages, the coordinators. We have other pages like the flowchart design here, permanent schedule, and if we go to one of these pages, we can see the search functionality and working here.